Okay, welcome. Before I proceed, I want us to look at how can we use mold tools in our design. Mold tools. How do you use mold tools? Let us check the power of mold tools in our design. Okay, so this is the part I'm going to use, or have the part that I'm going to demonstrate on how to use the mold tool. Maybe I can do a simple view. Want to see these are the parts that you are going to use. Want to see maybe from the revolve. Let's see. Check this. This is what to obtain from the revolve. We want to just a simple quick one. We want to look at how to use mold tools in SolidWorks. So the first thing you need to check is the draft angle. You can use mold tool for casting, making injection molds. You can also use it for making what we call dies, simple dies. Let's look at first of all the draft analysis. Check on the draft analysis. So where am I going to pull from? This is the direction of pull, for example. If I put there, then I need to check the colors. The color should be two only: the green one and the red one. The positive one is the male part. Then the negative one is the female part. In case you see where there is yellow, it means that you need to do a draft, which means your part may not be well ejected from the mold. For example, if I zoom from this region, we're able to see this part. So yes, you see this part is a yellow zone which is negligible. So you can check the draft angle. In case it gives you a wider gap for the yellow part, which means it's telling you that you need to do a draft. So for our case, let me assume that the part will be negligible, but when you'll be doing the final part, we'll be able to change it. Okay, so let's go to the part. We check how we're going to do a mold cavity from here. So which means the draft angle is 3. So let's check. Okay, from here, I know you can. If I click OK, Control 7, you'll be able to tell me down here that the green side, positive side, the male part, the yellow one part that requires a draft angle, and the negative one parts that doesn't what? That's the female part. Okay, I know already I've checked the draft angle. So next is in case I want to what do you call a shrinkage factor, I can do a scale up maybe of 0.02, 20%. 0.2%, 2%, depending on the material. Click OK. It can increase the part. Now it has increased by part by what? That is 2%. 2%, which means that is the shrinkage factor for the material in case it will shrink. Now let's go to, we have done draft analysis. Then from there we have checked the scale factor. That is the shrinkage factor. So here it doesn't have any shut off. Shut off means where there is holes. If you're making let's say a plastic chair or plastic stool, you can do shut off. Next, I'll show you how to use the shut off for mold tools. So let's go to what you call parting lines, where we can split our mold. So we can give our parting lines. Then we check that this is the surface we're going to use. Then ensure that we check split the surfaces. Then here click draft analysis, so that the green part is okay. That is the female part. Then the male part is down here. You see the color is uniform. Okay, color is uniform. So here it is telling us select the edges to form a parting line. So I want to select a face to form a parting line. Where can I pick? Maybe let me pick somewhere to form a parting line. Then pick like this. I want to pick this part that separates between the green and the yellow to form a parting line. So that is where the parting line is, the line that will separate between the male cavity and the female cavity. You see here it's telling me that the parting line is complete and the mold can be separated into cavities. In case it doesn't allow you to do this one, it means that you need to proceed again to check the draft angle. So this one, I'll leave it as okay. Click OK. Then I've already the parting line. So next is I want to put a shaft off, but I don't have the shaft off. So there's no need of me putting on the shaft off surfaces. I go to just direct to um, parting surfaces. You see, it has given me a parting surfaces, but I don't want to give it to go inside. It should go outside. So I click here, change. I can say this is 70 surface. Then I show it is perpendicular. For example, Control 5. This is where it is. Okay. I can even increase it. Let's say 100. It's the bigger the better, because depends now on your mold parts. Okay. So this okay. I click okay. Then next is I come to tool split. I want to split it. So already I have the parting surface. From there, I can proceed now to create on tool split. So I pick on this surface, then I can sketch. Let's say my material is this shape from the origin. I can assume this is my material. This is the block. Let's say this is 254. I'm using 254. That's the block by 230. Yeah, let me prevent sharp edges. So can as well do this to prevent sharp edges. Okay. Once you finish, you click exit, then Control 7. You can see this one, Control 1. You can see that now the block is being separated. I can increase the material in case I want material. Okay. Now this one is showing me that one, I have the core. Second, I have the cavity. Then third, I have the parting surface. So this is the parting surface. The core, the upper part, the cavity, the lower part. Cavity, female, core, the male. So I can now click OK. And then if I click Control 7, I can minimize this one, or can I hide this? Yes. I can even also hide this parting line. I can hide it. Hide this parting line. If I want to see inside, let me, for example, I click on this part, it may not give me well. So what do I do? I can click on this, then I say top level transparency. You see, it is showing me what is inside. But if I don't want that one, I can also come and check Control 7. I can come here, insert features, then I can move the body, say click on this part. I want to move it a little bit so that we can see what is inside. Maybe I move it to 50. Okay. I can again split the lower one, 5 features, move cavity, click on this one. I move it downward. Okay. Maybe also -40 downward, -40. Okay. Then Control 1, I'm able to see this is my pattern, the part that I wanted. Then the upper one is the female part. Female part unajua vile inakaa shape. Yes, how the shape for the female part looks like. So this is not the female, the male part. This is the male part. This is the male part, which is the core. Then the cavity is down, shimo. The hole is the cavity. The hole is a cavity. Yes, you'll be able to see inside. So this is the cavity. Yes, you see the cavity. Okay. So in case you want to check it well, maybe you can put on this one different colors, for you to see it well. I want to put on that color so that I can explain. Let me put this color. So this one is the cavity. Yes. And then this one is this face is the one that making the what? The core. Mwanaume. A man. So in simple language, we call it a man. So this is the male part, the core. Then the cavity is this one, the whole cavity. Then this is the part that we want to make. So in this part, this is the revolve part. Let me change the color here for easier visualization. So I want to assume that the final part, the material should be this color. Okay. So that we can be able to differentiate between the two of them. So this is what we call mold tools. In case you don't want this one, you also want to make an assembly, I can now suppress this or delete this one. run to or let me hide this first of all, so that we're able to see what is visible. Hide this. I want to hide this one also. This one, we want to hide it. Can come here, the body, come here, this part, we can check which one is this. We want to hide. Those are the surfaces that he was making. So we can expand here. Want to hide these bodies, core. You can hide this. Come here. You can hide this. Come here. Yes. So we can hide those the cavity, because it is still checking the surfaces for the core and the cavity. Then we can zoom here. You see, this is the cavity, the female part. Female part. If I click Ctrl 7, we're able to see the cavity here. If I want to see the upper one, I can also hide, show the upper one, this upper one. So this is the parting line which makes the part. Then this is the upper one I can show. Then I can hide this lower one, Then we also want to see inside. So this is the core, This is the core part of it. So we can as well, for example, let me hide this one and then show this. I want to create the locating pins for the two when you assemble them. So let me create this one. Yes, locating pins for us to assemble the parts to 20. This is 185. Then I want to put these holes at this point. For locating the cavities, the two of them. Yes, say equal. I want to assume this one to use 16. That is 60, 14, sorry. It was 14. 14, which is too big for me. I would use 10. 10 is good. 10, 12, okay. 12. Then Control 7. Come here to features. Features. What is happening in my mouse? The power has gone off. Went to features. Go to features. Extrude cut. And then want to put in 40. Can preview. 40. This is 42. 45. Then 40 is okay. 42 is okay. Then I want to draft at angle of 3. Yes, let me put 2. Draft angle of 2. You can check here. Change to this one. Then if you say outward, you're expanding it. So I want it to go inward at this. Draft angle of 3. Then click OK. See, this is the part. Okay. Then the upper one, this part, and to put it fillet of 2. 2. This is also 2. This is also 2. So I put 42. Okay. I want to hide this one, show the upper one. So then on the upper one, say sketch. Come here, show this, convert entities. So here I can say what was the diameter. So we can put alignment here, this, and this. equal. If we check or measure this, you can get this part. The inner one, you can as well zoom here. You want to check this part. Okay, you can also check the inner one like that. So we had used 12. So for this 12, you can say this one, this are equal. Small dimension. You can put this one to be 12. Then ensure that you check this part supposed to be for construction. I forgot I put it to construction convert geometry, which is supposed to convert the circles, but I forgot to cover this. So ensure to change it to this construction geometry. Control 7. Come here, feature, extrude. So this one I want to go 38. Then see also draft angle of a draft angle of 2. Yes, also put a draft angle of 2. Okay, then click OK. Come here to fill it, put 2. It can be done separate, but I'm doing it here to show you. Yes, doing it here to show you how a mold cavity can be made. Yes, like that. This 2. Okay, I can change the color of this one. Supposed to have put this the color here, so I can put this one as which color for better visualization. I can put this color. Okay, see this, it says even a color. I think I can change the color here under appearance. For this one, you can edit appearance. Here, select and put a separate different color. Put it red. Okay, for proper visualization. Control 7. Then I can allocate a pin that it is okay. On this, I want to put something else also, a different color allocation pin here. If I put on the cooling, I can put here. So here, say this and this part are equal. I want to put this as pin. This pin of, let's say 10. This is, and put a rod of 8. Yeah, 8 is enough from here, and then I'll explain the meaning. But although this is not, yes. We put this is 16. This is 16. This is also 16. And check this. Control 7. Feature. Extrude cut. You don't want to put it straight through all. I'll explain why I'm putting that. The upper one also, if you're doing a die, you can do this, convert. Okay. Not the face, should be this edge. Okay. Control 7. Just cut through all. Maybe like that. Yes. I can put the holding part where I'm going to hold my mold. Yes. Can put this straight line from here. need to hold it somewhere here. From here to here I can put 15. This one, this should be 10. This one should be 70. 7. Can say change here. Extrude cut. This one only this can be 5. That's for holding. Yes. Same way to here I can mirror, but I like doing it so that you, for those who miss the first step, can proceed and follow. So this face, this run, this convert, extrude cut. 5 is okay. Yes. So that's where I go to hold my mold. There's many features I can put. And now I want to show even the part itself. Yes, that's the part I'm supposed to have. There's a pin that will move from this point up. It's going up. Then I can delete this separation. This one I can delete separation. Yes, all. Let me close. Why the fillet? This one can bring it down. Yes. This one I can remove. This part. Why am I removing it? Let me isolate this first. Isolate this. I'm able to see. Yes, that one. Exit. There's a reason why I don't want to delete that one. I will return it. I want to show you. So next is I can show you this. Okay, exit. Then you can undo. I was supposed to do what you call I was supposed to do what you call suppress, but I know if it will come back. I forgot to suppress it. No, it has denied to come back. No problem. So we can hide this one. No, the upper one. Let us hide the upper one. Then this must be a sketch here. What am I done again? I'm not supposed to delete it. I'm supposed to suppress it. So let me to do this one again for the sake. Yes, because I wanted it to be unique. This was supposed to be 250. Was it 54? 220. And then it's supposed to be 185. Ones of 10. Here. 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 So that these holes are equal. The diameter of 12. Control 7. Then you come to feature extrude cut, but you put it was 42. Yes, I remember. Then a draft angle was I put 2. Okay. Then I put a fillet here of 2. That is it. Yes. So that I can now show this part. That part. So let me rename this one. First of all, this is the. Let me rename this. Just click on this one. Press F2. This is the. Let me put this core. That is male. And then let me put this one lower one as the what you call the cavity female, then this, and put it as the pattern, okay, so that I can as well hide this one, then redo on the upper side, this one sketch, this one, yes, this is 220, this is 185, 185, and make it for construction geometry, like this, yes, then should be 12 here, all of them should be 12, this, all of them are 12, small dimension, 12, you can check that all of them are 12, okay. Sometimes this happens, so what you do is, you see this blue one and this one, merge this, coincident, okay, then control 7, way to create, so this one goes inside, I will put 38, then put 40 is okay, then I can unmerge, but let me draft this of 2, okay, then here I can put a fillet, 2, here, 2.23, also here, then another fillet of 2, fillet of 2, here, this face, this edge, and here, okay. Then I want to change for better visualization, I want to change these colors, so here up to this part, right click, change appearance, and put the red the way it was, yes, red, okay, control 7, so I can return this part, where is it, I can show this, yes, I can do section view, be able to see section view, change plane, yes, see, so I'm able to see inside, change this, able to see inside, it look like we have not finished this part. Our main objective was to design a cavity, so I want to change this lower one, this part, to have a different color, this part, appearance, I want to put a different color for better visualization, I want to put this color here, yes, then the upper one, the low, this upper one, appearance, and to put it a different color also for better visualization, like this, okay. So this is the part we have, and we can create an assembly. So how do you create an assembly? From here also you can click here, right click, say we have the parts, so let's only save the solid parts, so click on this solid part, I click, say save bodies, then check these bodies you're going to save, then you can propagate the visual views, then also browse here, and let's say I want to save where, create a new module, say plate mold, open here, say plate, then save here, once you do that one, click OK, then say yes, accept all of them, Yes, yes, so that it can open up an assembly. So this we say rebuild, rebuild. So it has open an assembly, which is down here. Maybe let me check. Assembly should be down here. Here it is opening. Yeah, this is the assembly. It has opened an assembly. It has assembled all the parts for us. So we're able to maneuver over each other, like this part, this part. If I let me hide this upper one, hide. You have this. The pattern, I can hide the pattern. I can hide this show. So we have all the parts. So what do we do? I want to do to explode. So I want to explode assembly. Then come to exploded view. Click on exploded view. You can click on the part you want to explode. Maybe I want it to go up like this. How many steps? Let's say 100, far away. Okay. This one. Then click on the lower one. Sorry. Should be, I want to do the male part first. Delete this male part first. Then this part. So click here, done first. Then click on the lower one. I want it to go down. How many? Also, let's say 60. Press enter. Click done. So this is what we'll get. Then want to look at animation. Right click. Say animate collapse. So this is our part. Yes. So this is our cavity. Yes. Let me say I animate this one. Yes. Play. Then you can play this. Yes. We change transparency. Control 1. Yes. That is the part. Yes. And the part. See? That is it. Control 2. Control 3. Control 4. 5. 7. You can remove, return that one. Shaded. Here right click. And then say top transparency. Control 1. You want to see? Yes. Control 2. Control 3. 4. 5. So that is what we were supposed to do for our session. Yes. For our session. Our session was supposed to show us this. So from a normal part modeling, we have made a cavity, core and cavity. Then from there, we went ahead to do an assembly direct from the part modeling. Instead of us opening a new assembly, we save the parts without now doing what we call assembly. We just do it direct. Yes. For example, let me open in the feature. Let me open another part here. Let me open another part here. File open. You see from this part, let us check. For example, this one. Open that. Want to open this one, you see, like the other one we had done. I isolate this. This is the for the mold, injection mold. So let's go to this part, solid part. How many parts are there? There are 10 parts. So for you to do an assembly direct, because this is a feature, remember you're doing part modeling. You have done part modeling, but it has different parts. So for you to do direct assembly, just click on this one, right click, then say save bodies. Save bodies. Then you can here down here say propagate features. Then here open. Before we open, click check all of them, so that we say we are going to do an assembly for all these parts. How many parts? Should be 10 parts, is it? Let's assume that all of them are checked. So all of them are checked. Then clear here, open, close, open. You can say inject. Inject when? Inject M. Then save. Then click here, tick. Then accept all of them one by one. One by one. Let it save. Yes, updating all of them. Updating all of them. 10 parts. Yes. Then say rebuild. From rebuild, this is the assembly it has opened. You see, it has opened in the assembly. Let me open the assembly. See down here. Sorry, this is the assembly. That's the assembly. Control 7. So we have done an assembly direct from the feature. So you're able to do an assembly direct. So this is the assembly. So if you want to learn more of mold parts, mold cavities, this is the best class. You can come to us. You can say we show you how to do it. So you see, this is the mold that we have done. So for example, let me uncheck this one, and then we also do exploded view. So I can pick on this one. So where do I want it to be? Let it come from the upper side, or we can start the lower side. Is it? Here, you can start with this one. Let it go down a little bit. Maybe, let me say 30. Click here, done. Click on this one. Also, let it go 30. 30. Click done. Click on this one. Maybe let me take it the other side. Let's say this is 120. Click it done. Click on this one. Take the other side. Maybe they say 150. Click it done. I want to add this one. Go to 120 plus 30. Click it done. Then this one, let it go up. This 30 done. Then it goes this direction. Maybe let it be there first, just for the view. Let me say 68. Done. Okay. You can even put this one to go up. Maybe 30. Done. Then again, take it the other side. Let's say 150. For example, I just want to see. Then done. Yes. So we have this. You can take them. You have this parts. Even this. You can take them the other side. All of them. Pick. Put them somewhere here. Say done. Maybe they say 300. Just for the purpose of seeing inside. You can also click on this one. Take it this side. Click on this one. Say follow. Yes. Take it somewhere here. Let me say for 30. Okay. Say done. Then click OK. So from here, we are also able to animate it. So come to collapse animation. You can put this direction. You see? Control 1, Control 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's all the parts. You can also change them. Transparency. Change them for this. Yes. As a mold part. Yes. And that is what we do in engineering. So let's go back to our original design, which was this part. So as I repeat, my objective was to create a cavity, which we have done. So if I isolate this one, this is the cavity, which is the female part. If I isolate this one, this is the male part, that is the core, and we have the locating pins and also the guide. These are the guides I've put. So this is how we're able to design our mold. Yes.